Morning children, how are you? I know you are getting bored. Don't worry children. Today we will discuss our in EVS book. We will discuss a chapter Tiny Animals. In chapter 8 and page number 48 it has written Tiny Animals. What do you mean by tiny children? All of you know what does that mean? That tiny means small or very small. That where are insects found? Here the animals. Animals means what? We know that ant, spiders, that beetles and all mosquitoes are small animals. But here tiny animals means small to small, a very small animal. What does that mean? That where you found the insects. They are found in air, water and soil. Let me give you few examples of insects. Some examples are insects is housefly, spider, mosquitoes, honeybee, butterfly, etc. How many legs does an insect have? Do you count? No, na? One day you get the chance, you can count. Okay. So how many legs does that insects have? Insects have 6 legs and their body is divided into 3 parts. Head, thorax and abdomen. See here page number 48. Here the diagram of a housefly is there. Means a picture of a housefly is there. Where is his head? Where is that antennae? Then thorax, then legs, then wings, then abdomen. All are divided into 3 parts. So each part, what does that mean or what is that name? You just find here. Okay children? Then some insects have 2 wings. Tell me about 2 wings. Give example of 2 wings insects. One is flies and some insects have 4 wings. That example is bees, beetles and dragonflies. All of you know? Dragonflies all of you seen? Na? Beetles, bee, all of you seen or not? So there are also some insects that shed their wings as they grow up. Okay, so what does that mean? Example is termites and ants. Okay, there are some insects which can only fly and do not crawl. Example butterfly and mosquitoes. Whereas there are some insects which can crawl and fly both. That example is cockroach, beetle and houseflies. Insects have special features. Do you know children? In their mouth, some insects is there. Some they have taken in their mouths to help them obtain their food. Have you seen? Insects have special features in their mouth to help them obtain their food. And some insects hide to protect themselves from enemies. You have seen wherever they can hide themselves and they are very cunning. Have you seen? Have you marked? One day you can mark. Okay. Then do you know the word entomology? Entomology, what does that mean? The study of insects. It has written children in page number 49. It has written entomology is the study of insects. Okay. One day you can study better to know the how insects are there and what is their means functions, what they are doing and what they are able to do or what they have to harm to us and everything. The study means class 1, 2, 3 the study is grown up means the study is higher na. That type of one separate study it is entomology. Okay. Then children, do you know that some insects can be harmful like they bite or sting? Have you marked na? They also cause pain and some of them are carriers of diseases. Now the situation is coronavirus. Everywhere all the words are says coronavirus. It is one type of virus, but here the harmful that stings. But it is not a virus. The insects are not virus. Okay. So it is a carrier of diseases. Termites are also seen in many houses and they damage our furniture, doors, wooden items, etc. Some insects like locusts eat fully grown crops and damage the crops. Now children, let me explain you about some useful insects. means every coin has two sides, means good side or bad side, or head and tail is there. So harmful insects are there, or moreover some useful insects are also there. So some useful insects, for example insects like honeybee, but what it has done, or what they are working for, they sucks nectar from flowers. And butterflies helps them in the transfer of pollen grains from one flower to another. We get silk from the cocoon of silkworms. Spiders have 8 legs, their bodies have only 2 parts. Worms like centipedes have long tube-like bodies and many legs. So children, now let me conclude this chapter. And children, do you like to catch butterflies? Everyone, they like to catch butterflies. So butterflies are looking very good and beautiful now. Okay, so some children like to catch butterflies for fun, but you don't kill them, because they are very useful and they are our friend. And while they are moving here and there, the atmosphere looks very beautiful. Children, have you marked it? So children, so this chapter all of you read carefully. Here are some more examples are there, and you will like the video. And thank you children. Bye bye.